Viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to another video. It's all about, as you can see in the background, yeah, I'm on the farm, the big farm, with the melon, cucumber, okra, and pumpkin up the top, as you can see. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, please remember to check out my store, yeah, on the channel. There are some nice products there. I have some cups, shirt, pants, bags, you name it. You can go and check it out, all right? Yeah, for real. It's all about, I'm on the farm. Stick and stay. I'm gonna show you what's coming next, all right?
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, as you can see, there's a lot of melon right here. Yeah. This melon farmer is not joking. Alright. Melon all the way. Come on, yes, my viewers, watermelon. Yeah, as you can see, lately sprayed. Yeah, some little fungus did a mess around the leaf, them as you can see, the black on the leaf. Yeah, but you know, get rid of them, leaving them to spring and get back green. All right, but there's a lot of young one here putting out. Yeah, there's a lot of blossom also. As you look over here, there is two here. There is two more here. Whoa, there's a lot. There's a lot, my viewers and my subscribers. That's what I mean when I say plant something, you know what I mean? And as you can see, it is spreading like wildfire. Alright, let me show you this one here. Yeah, looking very nice. Alright, we are about to do some more spraying now to get rid of some more fungus. Yeah, as you can see on the leaves, there are some black spot there. Fungus is eating the leaves, so he's gonna do some more spraying to get rid of all of these fungus here. Yeah, some of viewers and my subscribers, as you can see in my previous video, I showed you that okra plant through the watermelon. So right about now, all here you can see okra plant through the watermelon. Yeah, so when one season is out, the next one is in. All right, and over the side over there, I'm gonna go over there now and show you cucumber over that side. Yeah, so as you can see in the watermelon here, there's a lot of watermelon. Yeah, there's a lot of watermelon, my viewers. A lot of watermelon inside here. There are some big one inside there, but the growth is so thick, can't go inside there, you know what I mean, to show you. But I'm going to go to the cucumber now to show you guys what is going on with the cucumber. Stick and stay. As I said before, there are okras plant through the watermelon and the cucumber. Yeah, okra plant right through, and as you can see, most of the okra is just started to blossom. Yeah, so you know it soon start to bear. Yeah, so we soon can pick okra off tree. You understand? All right. All right, these are some cucumber plant lately. Lately cucumber plant started to blossom. All right. Yeah. There is a coconut tree plant here. Just started to sprout. All right, my viewers, I'm going to show you the cucumber, what is going on. And as you can see, far ahead over there, the pumpkin, piece of pumpkin plant there in the middle. Nothing don't plant there as yet, just waiting for more things to plant. All right, so I'm gonna show you I'm going to the cucumbers now, my viewers and my subscribers, alright? Don't forget to check out my store. There's a lot of things there with the channel names on it. Yeah, the channel name on it, yeah. So you can go and check it out. Yeah, you can drink from a cup with Jamaican farmers that is on it. Alright? Yes, my viewers. Alright. Here was the cucumbers. And most of these cucumber blossom, bear, yeah. As you can see, cucumber is here. Yeah man, cucumber is here, my viewers. Cucumber is here, my viewers. That is the reason why we need to plant, you know what I mean? Yeah man, we need to plant, yeah? We need to plant, my viewers, we need to plant. Cucumber is here. Cucumber is here, my viewers. Cucumber is here, my viewers. There's a lot of cucumbers here. There's a lot of cucumber here, my viewers. Yeah. And there is about 2 harvests of cucumber gone already, and there's a lot still here. Yeah. Look here. 3 to 4 cucumbers right here. Yes, my viewers. We need to plant, you know. Yeah man, cucumber is everywhere, my viewers. Yeah, you remember in my previous video, cucumber was just started to blossom. But now, cucumbers out. Ready to eat. Yes, I'm gonna peel one right now and eat it just like that. Yeah? Cucumbers. Cucumbers. Yes, my people. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright? Yeah, it kinda grassy now, but as you can see, this line weed out. Yeah? So most of the line is gonna weed out also. Look here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cucumbers here. 10 cucumber here. Look, very easy and simple, don't it? Yeah, cucumber is everywhere, and all of here is cucumber right down the line. So you know it's all about time for harvest. So we're not gonna do any weeding for now because it is time for harvest, and after harvest, you know, the plant we always clean out and replant. You know what I mean? Yeah. So instead of to clean it now and then harvest, we harvest and then have to clean. Alright, as you can see. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful, don't it? Yes, man. Alright, my viewers and my subscribers, don't forget to check out my store. Yeah, there's a spring store on my channel. Don't forget to check it out. There's a lot of product there with my channel name on it, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Alright? Yeah, so don't forget to check it out. As you can see right here in this corner here, there's a lot of okra plant here. Yeah, there's a lot of okra. Yeah, very soon you're gonna get a lot of okra right here. My God, looking good, looking good. This is what I love to see, you know what I mean? Yeah, this is what I love to see. This is what I love to see, my viewers. Yeah? This is what I love to see, okra. Alright? Look here. Over here, weed out. You see it? It weed out, it look nice, don't it? And there's about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 root of okra here. As you can see. Yeah. Very soon you can come and pick okra. So it is good to plant, my viewers. Yeah, it's good to plant. I love to see this farm here looking good. And this farm don't short of water because the guy own a water truck. You know what I mean? Yeah. There's a water truck park on the farm all the time. So water is here a lot. You know what I mean? Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. Alright, I'm gonna go to the pumpkin now, across, to show you what's going on over there with the pumpkin. I guess pumpkin is over there, so I'm gonna go over there now to show you what's going on with the pumpkin. Some of viewers and my subscribers, stick and stay. Yes, it's all about farming. It's all about a farming revolution, you know what I mean? So you hear it here on Jamaican Farmers Hut, alright? Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check out my store, yeah, right here on the channel. Yeah, product there with a lot of with the channel name on it, cups, shirt, you name it. Yeah. And if you would like something to print on a shirt, you can just give me the link. Alright, link is gonna be in the description. Alright, stick and stay. Alright, my viewers, this is sugar cane. Yeah, so when you go to the plantation, you kind of feel peckish. First thing you do, you cut a sugar cane. Alright, I think them call them sugar cane here bag juice, you know, because them nice, you know. Yeah, sugar cane, my people. Yes, my viewers, it's all about the fungus, yeah, and the leaves them here. Yeah man, the fungus. It's all about a mixture. We have a mixture inside here. We're going to use to spray them, yeah, to get rid of the fungus, yeah. This is one. What is red mill? Yeah, that is one. This is the next one here. Calmax B.
Calcium.
Oh, this is the calcium. Oh, strengthen up the you know the melon, they make them nice. I'm gonna say the name on this one. Score. So what? Fungus. Oh, yeah. So all these things we're gonna mix together, put in the spray pan, and give the plant them a spray for fungus and fungicide. And also kill insects too also. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, I'm gonna go to the pumpkin and show you guys the pumpkin. Yeah. Wow, this one is beautiful. I can't pass, my people. How it look? Alright, I'll cut out 2 slices for you. Don't alter walk one, big up yourself here. I'll leave a slice for you. Make sure you come to country before Christmas. Yeah, have some nice Scotch bonnet pepper here, my people. A little patch. Because, you know, when you're on the plantation, I can't just plant one something, you know. Because, look here. I think this is cabbage, you know. Yeah, so this is tomato to also, my people. So, yeah, one and two callaloo there, you know. Here and there, yeah, callaloo. Yeah, man, callaloo and dumpling nice, you know. Scotch bonnet pepper, my people. Scotch bonnet pepper. So, we have 1 and 2 Scotch bonnet pepper here to also. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the pumpkin, show you what's going on. Alright, stick and stay, family. Yeah man, we also have pineapple here. Yeah, we have about 10 roots of pineapple here also. Don't know say water being a joke we do the farming, yeah. As you can see here, yeah, there's a lot, there's too much. There's too much, my viewers. Look. There's too much, my viewers. There's too much. There's too much, my viewers. Too much. Yeah, there's a lot. There's melon everywhere, as you can see. Far as you can look. Yeah? Far as you can look, my people. Far as you can look, my people. Far as we can look. Far as we can look, my viewers, watermelon is everywhere. But to behold, whoa, there's a nice patch of pop chow. So I'm gonna get some callaloo to mix with the pop chow, alright? Yeah, check out this tree here. Scotch bonnet, looking good, don't it? Whoa, if you have a tree like this at home, you don't want nothing more. You don't have to go out on the street to buy pepper, don't it? Yes, my viewers and my subscriber. I'm going to show you a melon far away. See if I can dry it up. Yeah? See that? A nice melon, don't it? Melon is everywhere. Alright, going to the pumpkin now. I'm going to the pumpkin now, my viewers. Going to the pumpkin now, my viewers. Right to the pumpkin now, my viewers. And my subscribers. There is too much melon. Whoa, there is too much melon. Too much melon here. Melon is everywhere. Welcome to the pumpkin. Also, you have some melon here also, but welcome to the pumpkin. Yeah? Pumpkin vine is running everywhere. I'm looking to see a pumpkin, my people, but I'm not seeing any for sure. But pumpkin have to be here. Alright? But as you can see, yeah, pumpkin vine run everywhere. Blossom. That means pumpkin have to be out on vine here. Yeah. Yes, my people. Just want a little weed out, but it's coming. The weed out is coming very soon. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, pumpkin love the stone here. Yeah. Look on this one, my viewers. Look here. One of the bees find it yet. Yeah, man. Have to. Yeah, man. Bees inside there already are doing work. You see how skilled the bees is? Yeah. Yeah. Pumpkin is running. Pumpkin love the stony land. Yeah, man. Pumpkin love the stony land. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Looking good. Looking good, my viewers. Looking good, my viewers. Pumpkin is inside here, but can't go inside because the growth is very thick. You know what I mean? Yeah? But trust me, my viewers. Pumpkin is here. Pumpkin is here. Pumpkin is putting out. Yeah, pumpkin love the stony land, you know what I mean? Yeah, bean, corn and all those things love these type of land. Stony land, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright. Yes, my viewers. Eh? Yeah, I may get to understand, so it start there. Yeah, man. It look too pretty for no start. Yeah, man, see all of a young one on that side. Beautiful, my people. Yes, my viewers. Alright, this piece of empty lot here, just weed out, clean out and thing. Want to be a put in some seeds, but don't know what is going on, Mr. B.
I'm here now.
Oh, what you planting now?
Pumpkin.
Oh, more pumpkin, my viewers.
More pumpkin. More
Yeah,
pumpkin.
more pumpkin.
Yeah.
The real man. Alright, Water B. Go on, do your thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Sir B. Yeah, my viewers, that was Sir B, you know? Put in some more pumpkin seed. Yeah, because the way how these pumpkin here look, yeah, you want over this side to look just like that, you know what I mean? Beautiful. Yes, I. So by next month, there are a lot of pumpkin gonna be here, shooting out, ready to bear. Yeah? Soon reach the time for harvesting. Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers, looking good. I'm gonna give you the view back out to the road. Yeah, this plantation is very huge. Yes, my viewers, we have to plant, my viewers. Yes, my people, we have to plant. Yeah, yeah, man. Yes, I. Pumpkin are put out every line. Every end, every means, pumpkin is putting out. If you have a farm like this, you're good to go, man. Yeah? Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. Don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel Jamaican Farmers Hut, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Yes, my people. Pants full up of borbor, but I saw you got a bush me there. Me used to it by now. Yeah, even in my bed board there, you know, cause sometimes no matter how me bed, the board them still hold on for my skin and I don't want to come off. So sometimes them rub off inside the bed. But that's how it go. Me not frightened of that. He's a hard working farmer, so you don't know. Burrow in my bed. Alright? Yes, my people. Yeah. Alright, my viewers and my subscribers. If you're new here, my name is Everton and I'm gonna be out for now. So I wanna say thank you all for watching. Big up on yourself. Well for love and appreciation, alright? Peace. I'm gonna be out.